Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Mac Visbo. Welcome back to the channel. This is a channel where tech is not everything, it's the only thing. So, yo, Happy New Year 2022. You know how we do, right? All right, so this video definitely is sponsored by CustomGoldGrills.com. So in other terms, you want to say this video might be biased. Hey, it's a good product, so let's go ahead and wrap into this video. So, long story short, I ordered some grills from Custom Gold Grills. That was in 2019, right? And I really love those grills. So Custom Gold Grill reached out to me and they said, you know what, we like the video you did initially. So, you know, it'd be great if you could do a second video and we'll send you a matching set to the set that you bought. So they did send it out. So I do have a video showing the steps on how to get it ready. You're molded ready for preparations for you to get your grill. Custom Gold Grill not only make grills, but they do custom jewelry. So I think it should call custom gold jewelry because they custom rings, chains, bracelets, etc. You know what I mean? Go on their website. Matter of fact, you can actually just search online the best place to buy a grill online, and they will be the first entity. Actually, that's the first business to pop up. So yo, let's get into my grill. So first, got to unbox the grill. So usually custom gold grills, they said you get every jewelry in this nice little black box. Who don't love a nice black box? I'm never surprised when it comes to them because they do a really great job of making jewelry. Custom Gold Grills sent out the top ones for me, which I greatly appreciated. I'm a guy of entertainment. I just, again, we don't judge each other on what jewelry you wear or what. You can wear a ring, a chain, a tattoo, whatever you wear. It's up to you, your choice, your vices, what you like. I like these things. I like jewelry, but I like silver. So the tops, the bottoms I got first initially, they are sterling silver. I love sterling silver. I got the sterling silver diamond crusted perm look grills, so they send out the same top, and upon inspection they look amazing. You know what I really like in what Custom Gold Grill did? They send you a nice little cleaning cloth in every jewelry, and that cleaning cloth feels so good that I actually use it to clean my electronics. So yo, Custom Gold Grill, you should definitely check them out. I am enjoying my grill. So yo, it's your boy Vizzy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. We're gone.